Hello everyone, welcome back to iPhoneTopics.com. Today in this video, we are going to see about how to save battery performance on iPhone 13 series like iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max and 13 mini. Okay, I know what you guys think about in your mind. Apple recently released the iPhone 14 series, but why does he speak about the iPhone 13 series? Am I right? Because most iPhone 13 users are now facing the several battery drain issue on their phone. And we all know about it. Every time Apple releases a new version of iPhone, they have a little bit of slowdown in their previous model of iPhones because they want people to be urged to buy their latest model iPhone. I think the same strategy is now going on. Don't mind it. Anyhow, let's come to the point. If you are using any model of iPhone 13 version, this video will be surely helpful to save your battery. Okay, let's move on to the tips. Tip number 1. Turn off the 5G service. 5G uses the massive battery in your iPhone. I know that in the current internet world, most of the mobile carrier companies are starting to adopt the 5G services. But one thing is that not all the places have a 5G network connection. Some countries have started to deploy 5G and some others are investing in the 5G networks. So if your current location is under the 5G deploy or investment, your phone is forced to receive the end of signal via antenna. And also, this process rapidly reduces your battery life. So try to turn off the 5G services when you don't need any longer. Next, tip number 2, turn off the location. Turn off your location service unless you don't need it, because phones start to find your location even if you don't use it, and it may decrease your iPhone's battery life. Most people think turning the location on will be helpful if their phone is stolen or lost, but the truth is you can find your iPhone even if your location is disabled, because there are numerous technologies available to locate your iPhone. Tip number 3, turn on the low data mode. Turning on the low data mode is a good idea to reduce your battery time. When the low data mode is enabled, background apps stop using the data if you don't use them, and no more auto downloads, backup, and iCloud photo syncs. So your iPhone battery is saved automatically. Next, tip number 4, use black wallpaper. Rather than other colorful themed wallpapers, black wallpaper is an easy way to hold your battery, because other colorful and dynamic wallpaper optimize your battery life. So try to use black wallpaper. Next, tip number 5, turn off the background app refresh. Normally people want to update their apps automatically via background app refresh, but it drains your battery silently. So turn off the background app refresh. Next, tip number 6, reduce Bluetooth speaker usage. Bluetooth speaker usage is also reason for the draining your battery performance. Normally, Bluetooth devices consume 4% of your daily battery life. So reduce the battery as much as you can. Next, tip number 7, turn off the auto brightness. Auto brightness is a good feature, but the drawback is that it insert the straw on your iPhone to drain your battery very fast. So turn off the auto brightness setting. Next, tip number 8, remove the unwanted app. If you have any unwanted apps on your iPhone, this also use your battery. So check if there is any strange apps installed on your iPhone. That's it guys. These are the tips for saving your battery life on the iPhone 13 series. Please let me know if you know any other way to improve your battery performance. Okay dears, if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like and subscribe to iPhone Topics YouTube channel. Bye for now, and I will see you soon in the next video.